Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all will be in your good health. Okay students, today's our topic is about Earth Day. Now look at your book page number 22. As we all know that the place where we live on is called the Earth. And do you know students what is the shape of the Earth? Yes, the shape of the Earth is round. Now in this chapter we will read that how can we make our earth a better place to live. As we know, by saving water, by saving electricity, do not litter. How we can save our water? If you turn off the tap while you brush your teeth and wash your face, turn it on only to rinse. By save electricity. How we can save electricity? Switch off all lights, fans when you leave a room. Do not litter. Throw waste in a bin. Request the municipal authorities, colonies, markets, parks and roads clean by providing more dustbins. In this way, we can make our earth a better place to live. Use silent generators. By reducing noise and air pollution, we can make our earth a better place to live. Next point is this: by saving paper. For doing rough school work, use backside of already used papers. Use water while washing fruits and vegetables to water plants in your garden. By serve only as much food as you can eat, so that if you have excess, give it to poor people so that they can eat. These are the points in which we can make our earth a better place to live. You know students, on which day we celebrate Earth's Day? We celebrate Earth Day on 22nd of April. And on this day, we all take a pledge to make our earth a better place and plant a tree on every Earth's Day. Now look at the book on page number 24 and move on your exercise. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. 10,000 years ago, the ratio of covered and uncovered land was more than now, less than now, same as now. The right option is more than now. We can make the earth a better place by saving electricity, by saving water and paper, by saving all three of them. By saving all three of them. What should we do to save water if it rains? Wash cars, cycle, etc. when it rains. Collect some rainwater in a bucket to use later for various use. Conserve water by bathing and washing clothes when it rains. The right option is collect some rainwater in a bucket to use later for various use. Our earth is a dash, planet, star, satellite. The right answer is our earth is a planet. Now look at the exercise number B. The earth is called the blue planet because it has dash, because it has water. It is also called the dash planet because it supports plant life. Red planet, green planet, green planet. The earth is covered by 3 parts of dash and only 1 part of dash. The earth is covered by 3 parts of water and only 1 part of land. The protective shield around the earth is called the dash. Atmosphere, vacuum. The right answer is atmosphere. The earth is also called the dash planet because it supports life. The earth is also called the living planet because it supports life. Now move on your next exercise. As children, how many things can be saved? Write down any 4. Students, as a children, what are your responsibilities to make your earth safe? We can save water, we can save electricity, we can save plants, we can save rain water. Now turn your pages. Look at the grammar portion. In the grammar portion, we will read about verbs. The action words, as you know, the action words are called verbs. Look at the words in the bubbles. Save, collect, reduce, serve, check. Now we put these verbs in a correct place. First, the teacher has to dash a lot of homework every day. The teacher has to check up lot of homework every day. We must dash our pocket money and not spend it on useless use. We must save our pocket money. The monitor will dash the money for the picnic. The monitor will collect the money. Get up quickly, Rehan. They are going to dash breakfast in a minute, said Ali to his friend. Get up quickly, Rehan. They are going to serve the breakfast. You must exercise and dash your weight. You must exercise and reduce your weight. Now move on, exercise number B. Make nouns from the verbs given below by adding tion to them. As we know, we can make nouns from verbs by adding tion to them. For example, inform. If we add tion, these words will make information. Collect, collection. Conserve, conservation. Celebrate, celebration. It will make celebration. Pollute, it will make pollution. Correct, correction. Now our next topic is about adjective of quantity. Adjective showing the quantity of noun or pronoun is called the adjective of quantity. For example, any, many, few, most, some, enough. These are the adjective of quantity. That tells us that how much a thing is meat. For example, I eat a few cherries. There is no milk in the fridge. In these sentences, such adjectives are called the adjective of quantity. Few and no. These are the adjective of quantity, which tells us how much a thing is meant. Underline the adjective in the following sentences. There is a little hope that Pakistan will win the match. In this sentence, there is a little. A little, underline a little is the adjective of quantity. He has no money in his purse. No. I ate some rice. Some. He could not eat any vegetable. Any. He has enough warm clothes to spend the winter. Enough. I have a few stamps. A few. Okay, thank you students. If you have any queries, you may ask me in the comment on Google Class. Thank you so much.